Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my me and dad layered card. How nice is that? I love how masculine the card looks with the beiges and the browns and the orange and the yellow. It just looks really cool. You have the dad with the child on his shoulders, just looking out into the sunset. It's just a really fun card. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course, there's an envelope as well. The card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewifecom/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. After we've converted the score line for the envelope and for the card base, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of these pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the orange layer, then yellow, then tan, light brown, dark brown, and medium brown. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And our front cover panel is all set. I'll set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open that up and attach the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close the card base up and attach the front cover panel. And there is our card. Now I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this card to make? It not only would be perfect for Father's Day, but I really think because sometimes we struggle with more masculine cards throughout the year, you could really use this for any occasion. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.